How do some people seem to always have enough money while others struggle? It's not magic, it's budget. A crucial tool that paves the way for financial growth. Budgeting allows us to understand and manage our finances better. The beauty of budget lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. In this video, we will embark on a journey of financial growth and budget. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? The first step towards financial growth is creating a detailed budget. Begin by listing all your sources of income and every expense you incur. This includes everything from that daily cup of coffee to your monthly rent or mortgage payment. But here's the key. Be realistic about your spending habits. Don't underestimate how much you spend. Honesty is crucial in this process. A detailed and accurate budget will serve as your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. Remember, a well-planned budget is the backbone of financial success. Setting clear financial goals is crucial for your financial growth. Think of them as your roadmap, guiding you through the journey of budgeting and financial decision-making. Short-term goals may include saving for a vacation, mid-term goals could look like buying a car, and long-term goals might involve saving for retirement or a down payment on a house. Each goal, big or small, serves as a stepping stone towards greater financial stability. With clear goals, you have a financial compass to guide your decisions. In today's digital age, budgeting tools can simplify your financial journey. Imagine an app that tracks your spending, categorizes your expenses, and even alerts you when you're nearing your budget limit. These tools do more than just report, they analyze your financial habits, providing a clear picture of where your money goes. Some even offer features like setting financial goals and monitoring your progress. They're like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. Harnessing technology can make your financial management efficient and easy. Unnecessary subscriptions can eat into your budget without you even noticing. It's like a silent financial leak, trickling away your hard-earned cash. Whether it's that magazine you never read or the streaming service you rarely use, it's time to cut the cord. Regularly review your subscriptions and ask yourself, do I really need this? Remember, small savings can accumulate into a significant amount over time. It's not about being stingy, it's about being wise with your money. Every penny saved is a penny earned. Ever considered how much money you can save by cooking at home? Swapping those restaurant bills and takeout tabs for homemade meals can dramatically slash your monthly expenses. Not to mention, you'll have full control over what goes into your food, which is a bonus for your health too. Discover the joy of crafting your own meals, from simple sandwiches to gourmet delights. You'll be surprised to see how this small change can make a huge impact on your wallet. Cooking at home can be a recipe for financial health. Utility bills can make a significant dent in your budget, but fear not, there are ways to reduce these costs. First, be mindful of your energy and water consumption. Simple acts like turning off lights when not in use or taking shorter showers can add up to considerable savings. Next, don't hesitate to shop around for the best rates. Many utility companies offer competitive pricing, so it's worth doing some research. Remember, reducing utility bills can free up more money for your financial goals. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial growth. It's like carrying a heavy rucksack while trying to climb a mountain. To lighten the load, you need a debt repayment plan. Start by listing all your debts, from the largest to the smallest. Prioritize them based on interest rates, with the highest at the top. Now, commit to making regular payments. Begin with the smallest debt to create a sense of accomplishment and momentum. Remember, a clear debt repayment plan is your path to financial freedom. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please like and subscribe for more budget tips to achieve financial freedom. While repaying existing debt, it's important to avoid new debt. A smart strategy is to save for large purchases rather than resorting to credit. It's all about planning ahead, setting money aside each month for bigger expenses. And remember, impulse buying can lead to unnecessary debt. Before making a purchase, take a moment to consider if it's a want or a need. If it's a want, maybe it's worth waiting. Avoiding new debt is key to maintaining financial stability. Side hustles can be a great way to boost your income. This refers to any work you take on outside your full-time job. It could be anything from freelance work, selling handmade goods, to renting out your spare room. Think of them as opportunities to diversify your income streams and bolster your financial security. You never know, your side hustle might even turn into a full-fledged business one day. Remember, a side hustle can be a stepping stone to financial growth. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund can be your financial safety net. Ah, the beauty of a safety net. You see, building an emergency fund is like constructing a financial dam. It's there to hold back the unexpected tides of life. It provides you with a sense of security, knowing you have a buffer against sudden expenses. This buffer reduces your reliance on credit, helping you avoid a debt trap. So let's start building brick by brick, coin by coin. An emergency fund is your shield against financial setbacks. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Understanding how money works is a crucial step to financial freedom. This understanding comes from continuous financial education. Dive into books by financial gurus, subscribe to informative podcasts, and enroll in online courses. These resources are treasure troves of financial wisdom that can guide you on your journey to financial growth. Remember, the path to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Investing is the engine of financial growth. By putting your money to work, you're not just saving, you're growing. Think of it like planting a tree. You start with a seed, your initial investment. Over time, that seed sprouts and grows, just like your wealth. Diversification is key here, spreading your seeds across different soils to weather any storm. It's the magic of compounding, the long-term growth that turns your small seed into a mighty oak. Investing wisely can accelerate your financial growth. Living below your means is not about deprivation, it's about financial health. It's about making conscious decisions to spend less than you earn, to save more, and to avoid unnecessary debts. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs, and prioritizing your spending accordingly. This approach can reduce financial stress and free up resources for investing in your future. It's not a quick fix, it's a sustainable strategy for long-term financial stability. Living below your means is a lifestyle choice for financial growth. Focusing on needs rather than wants can transform your financial health. Imagine a life where you spend only on what is necessary, where every purchase is thoughtfully considered. This isn't about deprivation, but about mindful spending. You see, needs are things we can't live without, like food and shelter. Wants, on the other hand, are desires that can be postponed. When we prioritize needs, we gain control over our finances and can make more informed decisions. Focusing on needs, not wants, can keep your budget on track. Regular reviews can keep your financial plan on track. It's the equivalent of a health checkup, but for your finances. It's important to regularly evaluate your budget, ensuring it still aligns with your goals. Maybe your income has changed, or new expenses have cropped up. You'll need to adjust accordingly. This is also a good time to revisit your financial goals. Are they still relevant? Are you on track? Remember, a budget isn't set in stone, it's a living document. Regular financial checkups can keep you on the path to financial growth. Financial growth is a journey. It's a path that requires discipline, patience, and a good amount of strategy. Each step is crucial to your financial growth. They're not just steps, but habits that need to be cultivated and nurtured. Remember, your financial growth is in your hands. Start today and build the future you envision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to more videos to help you boost your financial journey.